Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning or evening to all the students. This is the chapter 1 of this subject, General Chemistry, CHM 131, Units of Measurement. This note credit towards Madam Rosanna Saleh from UiTM Perak. Okay, for this chapter, the objective of learning this chapter, you are able to identify the basic unit of measurement in metric and international standard system or SI unit, and then students are able to determine significant figures in the number and understand the concept of significant figures in answering a calculation. And then you are able to explain the rules for rounding numbers, and then students are able to explain the concept of scientific notation. And the last one, students are able to calculate the density of substance. Okay, we take a look at the first one, which is SI unit. This is the International System of Unit. There are 5 important SI unit you need to learn for this chemistry. The first one is length, mass, time, temperature, and amount of substance. Okay, there are many international unit, other international system of unit, but we focus on these 5 in chemistry. Okay, the first one is for the length. The unit is meter. The symbol is M. Okay, this is very known, means because it is a standard system. So bila kita tulis M tu, everyone know. For the small m, this is meter. And then for the mass, the SI unit is kilogram. And then for time, second. Temperature is Kelvin. And the last one, amount of substance is mole. Okay. By having this unit, this international unit, system unit, there are standard around the world that we know when we are doing any experiment or anything, regardless of scientific investigation, you must use this SI unit. Okay, there are many standard international unit, which is SI unit derived units. Derived ni maksud dia daripada unit SI tadi, kita kembangkan lagi, derivekan lagi untuk jadi another measurement. For example, if you measure area, this is derivation from length punya SI unit, which is meter times meter. Okay, so meter times meter maksud dia length times length lah. So you will get the area, which is the symbol is meter square. And then volume, also important, meter cubic or cubic meter. And then you have velocity, which is important in physics, I think, meter per second. And then acceleration, density. Okay, so take a look at this symbol. This is all the SI unit punya derivation unit lah. Okay, then you ada current density and specific volume. So this is the SI prefix. So these prefix are used in order to make it easy to be when you have either very large number, for example like this one, kan kita nak cakap apa ni, with a lot of ni, 1,000 juta lebih, 1 juta juta macam itulah. So kita nak mudahkan menyebut ni, kita gunakan prefix, kita singkatkan dia. So these are all the prefix that we use. Prefix ni memang satu dunia pakai juga, standard international value. Maksud dia, bila cakap giga tu, everyone know it is a 10 power of 9. Okay, dia tak akan berubah lah jadi orang ni cakap 10 kuasa 2, tak. So dia giga ni confirm it is 10 power of 9. And then tera 10 power of 12, mega 10 power 6, kilo which is kita biasa dengar 10 kuasa 3, and then hecto tak berapa famous sangat. And then deka, desi, Centi, milli, micro, nano, pico. Okay. So, yang di bawah ni semuanya yang negative exponential. Maksudnya small number. Okay. So, yang di atas ni adalah the very large number. So, for this SI prefix, tak ada cara lain. You mesti kena familiar kan dengan dia. Kalau saya nak cakap hafal pun juga kan. Tapi you kena get familiar with it. And then, you buat lah. You mesti boleh jawab lah soalan. Ini memang saya tak nak corong. You kena hafal lah this one. Okay, this prefix usually use, let's say you ada 1, 0, 0, 0. 1000 gram. So, to make it easier, you can also, bila 1000, you cari dalam ni, 100 which is kilo. Okay, 1000, which is, kita tengok dalam table ni, 1000 is kilo. So, sini kita boleh pendekkan dia jadi 1 kilo, K, gram. Okay, so kita tak perlu tulis panjang-panjang lah. Kalau you ada, let's say, 1000 ni macam mudah sangat kan. So we having this 10,000 lah. Tambah 1 je. Okay, 10000 gram. So kita nak bagi mudah, nak sebut dalam apa? Okay. Ini depend pada apa yang mudah. Kita tengok dalam simbol ni ada tak 10,000. Okay, tengok tak ada. So kita boleh pendekkan kat sini. This is 10,000 kan kita belajar. So sampai kat sini 340 which is exponent power 3. So we know it is 10k sebab ni 10 kuasa 3. Sudah ada 30 lah, 10 kuasa 3 gram. Okay, so 10 kilo. So this SI unit can be used during unit conversion. Okay, kita akan belajar lagi dalam ni macam mana nak tukar nombor ni daripada gram pergi ke kilogram, daripada gram pergi ke hektogram ke, gigagram ke, miligram ke, microgram ke, and so on. Okay, this is very important for you to remember, boleh lah saya cakap remember or get familiar with this exponent. Okay. Alright, the next one. Okay, a prefix name attached directly to the name of unit and the prefix symbol attached directly to the symbol of unit. Okay, for example here, if you have 1 kilometer, so kita attach directly, ni kan nama dia, kilometer dia attach direct sekali. So, bila simbol pun, kita attachkan dia 1 km. Okay, ini dalam bentuk penulisan 1000 meters. So, 1 kilometers, kilo tadi 10 power of 3. So, kita tahu bila power of 3 maksudnya 30. So, this is 1000. So, equal to 1000 meter. Dia macam kita gantilah. This is this prefix dalam bentuk simbol huruf ataupun kalau dia nak dalam bentuk yang full. So, you ganti K ni dengan 1000. Macam tu. Alright. So, it is very important for you to memorize the symbol of this prefix. Sebab apa kita akan guna dalam conversion unit. Alright, the next one. Okay, common measurement and the conversion. Tadi saya ada sebut pasal conversion. So, kita akan tengoklah. There are 4 things we're going to understand in this chapter. Length, density, volume, and mass. Length is the basic SI unit, while density, volume, these two are the derivation unit from length and mass. Okay. Alright, so length unit SI meter, which is sometimes it become too large for the most laboratory purpose. Sebab meter ni ukuran dia besar. Kalau pembaris pun kita tak dapat nak 1 meter punya pembaris kan. Kalau nak pergi sekolah kan, nak masuk dalam pencil case. So 1 meter would be pembaris yang orang buat baju, panjang, very long one, or untuk pukul orang tu. Kalau zaman kita, saya zaman dulu lah, sekolah dulu. Okay. So, usually in the laboratory, we use centimeter or millimeter. So, bila kita sebut centimeter and millimeter, you refer to the table SI tadi. You tengok centi ni referring to what? Okay, centi is 10 power of negative 2. Saya dah hafal. So, you tak biasa lagi, you kena biasakan lah. Okay, and then this is millimeter, 10 power of negative 3. Okay, so meter lah. Meter kekal because meter is the SI unit. So centi and millimeter are most convenient use because it's very small, you boleh carry, and most of the laboratory purpose memang pakai pembaris pendek atau pembaris panjang yang boleh kita bawa keluar lah. Alright. So we are using this metric. Metric, bila kita pakai metric, kita pakai meter lah. Kita tak pakai inci or foot or any other any other unit for length, ya. Sebab dia SI, so kita pakai meter lah. Okay, and then we use prefix kesesuaian. Okay, this is one calculation example for conversion. So here you have 100 meter to picometer. Okay, so how to change this unit? So pico is 10 power of negative 12. How do you know? Kita tengok pada table tadi. Table SI prefix. Itu memang you kena hafal. Nobody know that what this P means unless you dah hafal or familiar. Alright, so 100 meter kita darab dengan, cikgu ajar dulu, tak tahulah cikgu ajar ke tak. So bila meter kat sini, meter kena kat bawah juga. Sebab apa? Kita nak cancel the same unit. Atas dengan bawah boleh cancel out. And then this is kita punya desired, apa yang kita nak, which is dalam case ni picometer. Picometer and then ni meter. So kita boleh potong meter, meter. So dapat jawab akhir mesti picometer. Betul? Alright, and then 100. Okay, yang kat depan ni apa kita nak ni? Takkan main buat je picometer and meter. No, you have to put, kita panggil dia sebagai conversion factor. So pico here means dalam table 10 kuasa negatif 12. So here you kita kata kita define maksud P ni dalam bentuk nombor kat bawah ni. Okay. So P is 10 power of negative 12. So ni, this one is 1. Sebab 1 kan. Tak 1, kalau you darab dengan apa-apa pun jadi 1 lah. Okay. So daripada sini, you tekan calculator. And then you akan dapat 1 times 10 power of picometer. Sama juga kalau saya suruh 100 meter tukar kepada milimeter. Okay. So 100 meter, bila kita nak tukar, kita tengok ni atas, so kita buat meter kat bawah. Di atas ni milimeter, desired, apa yang kita nak. Okay, mili dalam table means 10 kuasa negatif 3. Mili ni. Macam mana saya tahu? Saya dah hafal. So, 10 kuasa negatif 3. So, 10 kuasa negatif 3 nak tak mana? Letak di bawah. Menggantikan huruf M tu. So, dia jadi sini 10 kuasa 3, sini negatif 10 kuasa 1 lah. Maksud dia bertimbal. Okay. So, ini 1. So, meter ni boleh cancel. So, tekan kalkulator. You dapat lah berapa milimeter. 10 kuasa 5 saja. Okay. Tekan kalkulator. Alright. So, ini contoh lain bila you ada another prefix to another prefix. Okay. So, another prefix to another prefix, konsep dia kita kena 2 kali convert. Okay. Maksud dia apa? 2 kali conversion factor. Okay. 210 nanometer. Okay. Tukar dulu kepada meter, which is the SI unit. So, nanometer, potong bawah nanometer. Nano ni apa? 10 kuasa negatif 9. So, gantikan di atas 10 kuasa negatif 9. And then ini baru selesai untuk dapat meter saja. Belum lagi milimeter. So, daripada meter, of course, kita bertukar pada milimeter. So, meter di atas, meter di bawah. So, boleh cancel. Okay, mili 10 kuasa negatif 3. Saya ambil yang bawah ni ya. Saya ajar awak yang cara bawah. Okay. So, ganti M ni dengan 10 kuasa negatif 3 ni. So, ni. And then meter, potong meter. So, dapatlah jawapan akhir dalam milimeter. 2.1 darab 10 kuasa negatif 4. Okay, boleh try buat. Ni. Okay, kita sambung video ni untuk for the next one. For the next video ya.